Welcome to week 19. As I told you guys, we are going to be doing PowerPoint. I am going to do all of my tutorials in PowerPoint, the downloaded version, because PowerPoint Online does not have near the amount of features that the downloaded one does. And for me to give you a really good overview of the PowerPoint program, you need to use the downloaded version. I realize there are a few people out there that do not have the ability to download it, and that is what you're going to be doing after this. So if you cannot do it, if you cannot download it, you're on a school Chromebook, you will let me know and we will come up with alternative assignments. But you have to let me know so that I can do that. So if you can download it and it is not installed on your computer already, you can tell if it's installed by going down here to the Start, and then you can go to Microsoft Office, or you can go to PowerPoint. And it will, if it is on this, that means it is already downloaded on your computer. So if you want to, if you already have it, then you don't have to do this part. You can just fill out the questionnaire. If you need to do it, what you have to do is you have to go to your single sign-on and go ahead and log in however it is that you log in. We're going to go to Office 365. You can say yes or no. It is up to you what you say. I don't think it works particularly, but you can go ahead and do that. Okay, and on this home page, it should say Office 365 over here, and the house should be highlighted. It says Install Office. To do that, then you click on the button and you say Office 365 Apps. It is going to download for you wherever your downloads go. Down here, if you look here, mine are right here. You can also find them. Oops, sorry. I hit the wrong button. You can also find them if you go to your File Explorer and you go to your Downloads folder, and then you'll see it says Office Setup. Once you have done that, you need to double click on it and it is going to walk you through how to install it. I cannot install it. I am on a school's computer, so I can't show you from here on out. But it is pretty cut and dried. Say yes, that type of stuff. If you have problems, let me know. If you can't do it for some reason, don't start stressing. We are going to make alternative assignments for you. It's just you're not going to be able to do some of the features like animations and such. But you will have an assignment that you can do in the online version. Once you are done installing it, then you need to go back to week 19, and in assignment 1 there is it's a 4-question worksheet, for lack of a better word. There are no right and wrong answers, so you're going to click on it. You only have to take it once because it doesn't. The biggest thing that I need to know from this is if you have the downloaded version of PowerPoint. So I usually do my schoolwork on this type of advice. Something that has Windows on it, either a desktop or a laptop, it does not matter. A Mac, a tablet, a Chromebook, or if you have something other like your phone or something like that. So you can select whichever one it is. Go to the next one. I successfully downloaded the full version of PowerPoint, or I already had the downloaded version on my device. True or false? If you have it, you say true. If you don't, you say false. And then go to next. I have reliable internet service. Yes or no? That's all I need. True or false? And I have used PowerPoint before. True or false? If you have never done it, or if you've only done it in 3rd grade or something, say no. It's not a right or wrong answer. And then you'll review, you'll hit finish, and it's going to submit. Okay? I will then be able to see the answers so that I can make a list of the people who do not have the downloaded version. If you have any problems or questions, please let me know, and if not, I will see you guys soon.